Fundamental Analysis, a beginner's guide to smart trading. If you're new to trading, you've probably heard the term fundamental analysis. But what exactly does it mean, and why does it matter? In simple terms, fundamental analysis is the study of economic, political, and financial factors that influence the value of an asset, whether it's a currency, stock, or commodity. Let's break it down for beginners. 1. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis looks at the bigger picture behind price movements. Instead of focusing only on charts and indicators, it asks, how is the economy doing? Are interest rates rising or falling? Is inflation under control? What's the central bank saying? By answering these questions, traders can assess the true value of an asset and predict its future direction. 2. Key elements to watch. For Forex traders, some of the most important fundamental factors include interest rates. Central banks like the U.S. Federal Reserve or ECB use rate changes to control inflation and stimulate growth. Economic reports. Data like GDP, unemployment rates, and inflation reports give clues about economic health. Geopolitical events. Wars, elections, and trade agreements can cause major market shifts. Understanding how these elements affect currencies helps you make informed trading decisions, especially with platforms like FXCM, where such data is often integrated in the platform. 3. Why it matters for beginners. If you rely only on charts, you might miss the why behind a move. Fundamental analysis gives your trading context. For example, if the US is raising interest rates, the US dollar often strengthens, and that's useful whether you're trading EUR/USD or gold. Even if you're a short-term trader, knowing the economic calendar helps you avoid surprises during high-impact news events. Fundamental analysis is essential for every serious trader. It helps you understand the forces driving the markets and gives you a solid foundation to build your strategy. If you're trading with FXCM, combining news with real-time data makes you a smarter and more confident trader.